Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the TP adjustments tools. This is the new version to cater for V3.1 and the old version. So sometimes a user might make a mistake like accidentally delete, let's say an order, let's say they accidentally delete. So basically the TP take profit price is based on the average price and then set by default my program was set 220 points. So let's say you accidentally close an order, you have to use the TP adjustment tools to recalculate the TP price and update accordingly. So this is the new version. So what you need to do is go to my Google Drive and download this. Just TP V3.1. Okay, copy your VPS. And what you need to do is same thing, pull down file menu, open data folder, double click on MQL4, then double click expert and paste here. Right, so then you just right click on expert advisor, refresh. So I'm doing the testing on my demo account. Okay, so this is the TP adjustment tools. So okay, right now for this demo account, there's on the buy there's 3 position, on the sell there's a 6 position. So let me show you how to do the TP adjustment. So right click on the symbol, then click chart window, basically to bring out a new window. Right. So now let's say I want to adjust all the buy position. Just now as you can see there are 3 buy and 6 entry for sell. Okay, so you can see the TP by default is based on 220 points. So let's say now I want to reduce the TP to 200 points. So here it should minus 20 become 1.39336. Okay, so let's say what I need to do is just drag this over. Right, you need to choose the correct version. Okay, let's say this is V3 or V3.1, but this is V. I want to set the V3.1 buy position, but I didn't choose. Okay, let's say I choose this is the version. I click OK, and you can see that there's no transaction to update. Let's drag again and drop at the chart. Choose 3.1 buy. Default is 220. Let's say now I want to reduce to 200. So after I click OK, you can see the TP price will be updated. See, so the TP price updated, right? And let me reset it back to 220. And make sure you choose the correct version. Click OK. So we set it back. So same thing apply to the sell. Let's say you want to adjust the TP for your sell position. So now this one is also by default is 220 points. So I drag over. Okay, now maybe I want to adjust to 300. Right, so just right click and choose the correct version. So from 220 to 300 is 80 points different. As you can see the price here, it will adjust accordingly. Adjusted. So now I just reset it back. 220. Okay, sell. So the TP price will adjust accordingly. So this is how you use the TP adjustment tools.